Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can add glass break effect to our video on InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I have opened my InShot application, and first thing first, I'm going to open up the project I have just created on InShot. Okay, and I'm going to add glass break effect to this video. We can go to the PIP option and then go to the InShot material, and you have to select the atmosphere category. Then you can scroll down until you find the glass break effect. Okay, just keep scrolling down until you find it. Okay, this is the glass break effect we can use. I'm going to tap on that and click on the check mark. And this glass break effect is actually for the portrait video. But don't worry because we can still use it. You just need to rotate it if your video is a landscape video. Okay, and this is the final result. Alright guys, and that's all the way to add glass break effect to our video on InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.